Hello and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. It just occurred to us the other day, we've had this oven here almost a month now, or maybe a little bit over a month, and we've not cooked the first piece of chicken in it yet. Well, we're going to have to rectify that today, so we'll get started with some wings over here. Okay, now I have this package of chicken party wings here, first and second sections from Kirkland. Kirkland's got pretty good chicken stuff if you buy it there very often. So I'll go open this up. Okay, now we're going to get this package open here, I hope. I think I need a sharper knife for this stuff. See if we can dump all this unwanted juice down the sink here. Okay, now let's see how many parts we've got here, just so we'll know. Okay, we've got about 13 or 14 in there. I'm going to just rinse these off a little bit. Now, I know people say you don't need to wash this chicken anymore, but I'm going to rinse it off a little bit and I'm going to dry it real good, or attempt to. When I say rinse, I mean just a light little rinse. I'm going to get some of these paper towels out here. Start putting them on here. Pat them all good and dry. All right. Okay, now it turns out we had 12 in that bag. Now when I get them pretty much dried off like this, I'm going to put them in this red bowl over here. Got all the little feathers off that you see. Okay, now I got my parts in this bowl here. We'll take and spray a little bit of olive oil on them. Okay, now we'll take and sprinkle some of this all-purpose chicken seasoning for Larry's on it. Now it's hard to say how much you do on this, you know. Just put it in there about the way it looks good to you. As I've got some rosemary garlic here from Tony's. I'm going to sprinkle that down in there. These are going to be good chicken wings. I've fixed them like this before, but not in this oven. Now we're going to shake them around a little bit. Do some more oil on just a little bit. Do some more Lawry's. And a little more Tony's rosemary garlic. Now if you're a hands-on type of person, you just put your hands down in there and grab hold of them and stir them all up. I don't like touching raw chicken that much, so I just do them like this. And to me, I think they get about as covered. Now, that looks about right. Okay, now this is like your, you used to sell broiler rack in your oven. That's what we're going to cook this on. Now this is not non-stick, so we're going to take and spray it down a little bit. Our pound here, not much, you know, just a little, just to help clean up a little bit. Keep it from sticking. And then just like that. Take it over to here. Now we're going to load this up with these wing parts. I'm going to put the skin side, I'll put the skin side down because I think we'll have to turn these over. And when I get it done, I'll be back. Okay, now we're going to get our crisper basket here. I'll put a paper towel down here because I don't want any crumbs hitting the countertop and staying there. And so now the next thing we're going to do. Okay, now I've got me a bag of these seasoned waffle cut fries here. I'll put some in this crisper basket. I'll go cook many because this is just a little snack. And on how 12 wings can't be much more than a snack. Okay, that's about it. Set these aside. Okay, now we're going to come over here to the Ninja FOODi Pro XL oven here, and we're going to turn on the power. We're going to power function on air fry. Okay, we want to do 2 levels. Okay, that says put it on. Put 1 rack on level 4 and 1 on level 2. Okay, then we'll go hit the start button. And that's called preheat. Now it never takes more than 2 minutes to heat. Most of the time, 1.5 minutes. So we'll be back when it does that. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to tell you, I've got 20 minutes on here at 390 degrees. Okay, now it's preheated. Now that says put it on level 2 and level 4. Well, I want the chicken on the bottom. And I'll put these little fries up here on the top on level 4. Well, like I say, these fries probably cook a whole lot quicker than the wing parts, but we'll see. Alright, shut the door. And there they go. So, we'll be back in a few minutes to take a check on them. And while you got a second, if you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure would appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Okay, now they've been cooking a little bit over 10 minutes. So let's take a look in here and see what they look like. Ah, those are eatable now. I'll let them crisp up just a little bit more. Now see how these I want to turn over. And when I get that finished, I'll be back. Okay, now I've got them all rolled over. We'll put them back in there and start it back up again, and we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, actually these fries up here look like they're pretty crispy. I'm gonna go ahead and take those out. Put them over here on a plate. And shut the door back and let these go some more. Now I really want these to be a little crispy, so I might have to add a minute or two to them at the end. So we'll see in a minute or two. Okay, now these are down to 10 seconds here, and I can see in there that they're good and they're eatable, but I want them a little bit more crispier than what they are. So I'm going to add about 5 minutes to them and let them go on. Okay, now I've got them on this plate. I've had them on there a couple minutes. Should be about cool enough to about into one. So we're going to try it and see. Now these are some great wings right here. I don't think you'll go anywhere and find any better wings than these. While I'm thinking about it real quick, don't forget to disinfect that countertop, because all that chicken juice is on it, and especially this day and time, you don't want any germs lingering around. So until next time, I hope y'all enjoyed this little video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And I hope you come back and see us real soon and give us a thumbs up and join our channel if you can. So until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day now. Goodbye.